Hello, this is Rich Lavins of Eurotherm by Watlow, and today is a tutorial on the Eurotherm Mini8, and specifically we are going to do a feature pass upgrade to add something to this Mini8 that it didn't originally come with. Specifically, we are going to add Ethernet IP as a communication protocol to this. So we do this by way of a feature passcode. Obviously, the Mini8 is a blind controller, so there's no interface. So really what we have to do is apply power to it, 24 volts, and then either connect via Ethernet or using your CPI clip. From here, we'll bounce over to the iTools program, and we'll get this accomplished. Okay, we are back at my PC now, and we're going to open up the iTools Engineering Studio. If you've got a brand new Mini8 and you haven't been on iTools for a while, you probably want to go ahead and download the latest version. That's a free download on either the Eurotherm.com or Watlow.com websites. So I just got done updating mine, so we're going to open this. And I'm going to go to iTools, Engineering Studio. When you get here, there's two ways to connect to that Mini8. As I stated before, you can use the Ethernet cable or you can use the CPI clip. I opted to go with the CPI clip, so I'm going to come up here to the scan button, and we're going to connect via the CPI clip or IR cable, and we're going to click OK. And once you do that, if you're looking at the little USB dongle coming out of your PC, the red light should start transmitting, receiving, and see the red light blinking. While it's synchronizing up here, you can't do anything with it until it's done synchronizing, so we're going to wait a moment. And it's done. So when it's done synchronizing, you'll see the Mini8 there, tells you what COM port it's on, and the little rectangle is actually a representation of the instrument. So we are connected. I am going to come up here to Parameter Explorer, click there, and open this up. When you first click on it, it should open the instrument folder in this list of folders. If it's somewhere else, just click the instrument folder. That's where we're going to be working. And I need 5 pieces of information out of this Mini8. First, I need the firmware version. So right here is the firmware version. Next, I need the serial number. The serial number and the instrument number are the same thing. So I guess in this case, if you're asked for the serial number, just be aware we're looking for the instrument number. This one is 148212. And then under the Security tab, make that here bigger, I need feature passcode 1, 2, and 3. So 56297, 52493, and the last one I need is 50932. Once I have those 5 pieces of information, what you're going to do is you're going to give those pieces of information to your account manager or your territory manager, along with a purchase order to unlock whatever feature you're trying to unlock. And with a purchase order, they will send you back either 1 or 2 or 3 codes. So you'll replace either 1, 2, or 3 here. So how do you do that? If I click here, it's not letting me do anything. If you look at iTools, anything that's in a blue colored font is read only. So what we need to do to put in the new codes is come up here to my access button, click there. It's going to say, hey, the controller won't control while you're set to an access level of configuration. That's fine. Go back into that security tab, and now you can see I can write to those parameters. So I'm going to get some new codes, and we're going to unlock the Ethernet IP feature. So I had to wait a few minutes. I sent in for a new feature passcode, and what came back was feature passcode 1 was the same, feature passcode 2 was different. So you can see I put it in there. Now you do have to be in that configuration mode to upgrade that, but configuration passcode number 2 is 21418 now, and then the last feature passcode stayed the same. So once I upgraded that, I want to double check to make sure I have Ethernet IP unlocked. So I'm going to go to my Parameter Explorer, and I'm going to come down to my Comms tab. And in this case, I want FC. And under the main, you can see that right here, I now have Ethernet and IP as a feature. So it did upgrade successfully. Whether it's Ethernet IP or some other feature in the Mini 8, this is how we upgraded it. Hardware features are different. Hardware, if you want to change a relay card to a 4 to 20, that's a hardware thing. But anything within the Mini 8 that is software based can be upgraded via this feature passcode. Anyway, that's how we do it. Don't forget to log out of access mode so the controller goes back into operator mode. And that's about it. I hope you find this helpful, but reach out and let us know. Thank you so much.